Hey guys, I'm going to live stream today. It's not going to be a big live stream because your girl's pretty tired, so we're gonna do a little bit of a live stream. I don't know how much. Just depends on my emotions because so many guys in my videos and you guys keep saying that I should quit, and that's making me really sad. And I've been telling my mom, and she said, "Don't believe them. They were just faking it, but they're not actually faking it. They actually mean it." And today I'm gonna do car racing. So let's see. Here comes my brother, and he's crying. Cece! Cece, come! Come on!
Let's go to your first drive. You can do it.
Yeah. Let me try.
You can do it. New record.
I freaking died, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's try again. I better not die now.
You can do it. Oh my god. Try again.
I'm sorry. Yeah,
You can make it.